and welcome to this video on adding crowdfunding campaigns to your WebStarts website. So if you're building a website with WebStarts and you want to add some crowdfunding campaigns or you want to add some capabilities to it, I'm going to be going over how you can do this, the steps that you have to take, and then a demo on the steps that I've explained. So what are the steps that you need to take to add the crowdfunding campaigns or capabilities to the WebStarts website? Step one, you need to subscribe to an Atlas subscription plan. There are several different plans you can choose from, so choose the plan that's going to suit your needs the best. Step two, create a crowdfunding campaign and then copy the campaign widget code. Once you've done that, you can create a new page on the WebStarts website and then paste that widget code onto the new page using the embed feature there, and then you'll be able to view and donate to the campaign. You can run as many crowdfunding campaigns as you want, and you can modify them to the full extent using the administrator dashboard, the front-end source code, and Thrinacia's in-house developers at an hourly rate. I'm going to be going over the steps that I just explained right now in a demo video, so stay tuned and quickly watch the demo video.